Hello guys, معاكم مش شيماء من قناة تأسيس إنجليزي. Today we learn letter D. Letter sound D. Letter name D. Let's go, sing with me.
The letter sounds, we can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter D. This is a capital D. This is a lowercase d. You know D sound. D d d d d d d d d d d d d d d. Yes. D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur, and D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. D d d d d d d d d d d d d d d. Your turn. D.
D is dog. D is dinner. D is dinosaur. D is duck. D is doctor. D is dancing. أتمنى تكونوا استفدتوا من درس النهارده.